everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Belle. Today we are going to be unboxing my FabFitFun summer box. I am so excited to open this. I actually got this like a week ago and I don't know, I just keep putting off filming, and so I haven't opened this. I don't even know what's in it at all. I haven't looked at any videos unboxing the box this season, so we're gonna be very surprised. As always, Spartacus shows up as soon as I start talking because I'm not talking to him and he cannot stand that. Can you, kitty? You can't stand it when nobody's talking to you. Ooh. Something in here smells really good. If you've never heard of FabFitFun, it is a seasonal subscription box. So it comes to you every 3 months and it is $49.99 per box, and inside there are all sorts of goodies, like beauty things, lifestyle things, and fashion, accessories type stuff. So super worth it because it's like Christmas every season. And I believe I might have a referral link for you for $10 off your first box. So if I do find that, I will link that down below. So without further ado, let's get this box open and see what's inside. So FabFitFun always includes a little magazine that tells you about the products in the box, as well as a few articles on how to use those products and other tips and stuff to live a fabulous life. All right, we're opening this up. Oh, there's so much stuff in here already. Look at that. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Oh, I see very exciting things. And something smells delicious. Well, not delicious, but like really soothing. Okay, so since this is like all up front here and I'm excited about this brand, I'm gonna go for this product first. So this is the COOLA Sport Face Moisturizer with SPF 50. I love sunscreen and I love this brand, and I love that it's SPF 50 because that's pretty much that. Anything lower than that does not work for me. So this is super exciting. Oh my gosh. I love that they always give me sunscreen every summer. I haven't needed to buy sunscreen since I started subscribing to this box because they always give good sunscreens. I'm still using the sunscreen from last summer. Super excited to use this. And this one looks like it is a chemical sunscreen. So avobenzone and octinoxate. Plus this retails for $32. So that's almost the price of the whole box right here. Okay, next. If my cat will stop rolling around on the magazine. Shh. Please don't. Okay, the next item I'm going to pull out of here is, which one should I do? Okay, let's do this. This is, oh, what? This is the FOREO Luna Fofo. And I believe I have seen this floating around. Oh my god, it's pink too. I didn't even pick this, but they gave me the pink one. I am so thankful for that. So I believe this is FOREO's newest launch, and this actually syncs up with an app that can detect it measures your skin moisture, customizes a cleansing routine, reveals skin age, and the app records your progress. So that is super cool. I've used one of these before. I think it was called the Mini, and it was super basic. It was a little bit smaller than this one. It did not connect to an app. It pretty much just washed your face. But I did like how it made my face feel, and it was like, you know, a lot more exfoliating than just washing with your hands. So I'm super excited to use this. This is fancy technology right here, and it is pink, and this retails for $89. That paid for the whole box right there. And there are like 10 more things in the box right now. So wow, that's all I can say. Wow, this box is wow. Next, okay, I keep looking at this Pier 1 Imports thing, so I'm gonna go straight for this. I have no idea what this is. But anything from Pier 1 Imports is always really aesthetic, right? Oh, cute. This is a nice little marble dish. Look at that. How adorable. Let's see. This is the Pier 1 Imports marble ring dish, and it is $14.99 retail. I've actually been looking for a cute ring dish for a while, but nothing really, you know, popped out at me. So super excited that they sent me this. Oh my gosh, love it. How cute. This is a new prop for photos for sure. There's so many things in this box, you guys. Okay, I'm gonna go with this next. Aromatherapy something. It's a big box. Let's see. This is by the brand Aromatherapy Associates, London, and it says De-Stress Muscle Gel, focusing and soothing. A muscle gel. So this says, made with an invigorating blend of essential oils, this best-selling muscle gel instantly cools aches and soothes tired muscles over time. And it is $39 retail. Okay, so that's kind of interesting. I think my husband would really like this. Ooh, oh, this is what smells very soothing and lavendery. That smells it's just straight up lavender. I love lavender, so definitely excited to try this out because we have been going to the gym a lot recently and sore muscles are definitely a thing right now. Next up, I'm gonna stop ignoring this Tarte product right here and just go for it. They have Tarte in here. How cool is that? So this is the Tarteist PRO to Go. It looks like an eyeshadow palette. Let's see. Tarteist PRO to Go palette, and Sex Kitten liquid liner. Oh, so that's this right here. Ooh, liquid eyeliner. I can always use a good liquid eyeliner. This is Sex Kitten. Let's see. How cute! It has a little kitty on the tip. Do you see that? How cute is that? Oh my god. Packaging always gets me. So this looks like it's a, let's see, felt tip. Definitely can't go wrong with a liquid eyeliner. I hope this one's long wearing. Usually Tarte is pretty good with long wearing products, but we'll see. Back to the palette, which I haven't even finished opening yet. This palette features 4 long-wearing shadows, 2 iridescent lusters, and a waterproof liquid liner so you can create a variety of summer beauty looks. Oh, it's okay. So the liner is waterproof, and both of these together are $43 retail value. Oh, this is a really cute palette. It's really small, so probably great for travel. So some pretty neutral colors there. Ooh, that gold though. Gosh, even their little travel packaging is so beautiful. So we have some really neutral transition colors, darker colors. This is perfect. A little purpley type of color. Perfect. This is like the exact colors that I would normally wear on a daily basis, so cannot go wrong with this. So when I was opening up that eyeliner, I must have, I don't know, opened it too hard or something, but I got like little splashes of eyeliner ink on me and I cannot rub it off. So there you go, really long wearing. That's great to know. Next product in the box, I'm gonna go with this. This is the Vasanti Brighten Up Enzymatic Face Rejuvenator. So it's an exfoliator. Oh, and I remember using this a while back. I've gotten it a couple times in Ipsy bags, but this looks like it's the full size, and I did like it when I have used it. Always nice to have more of something that you've already enjoyed, right? And this is $29 retail value. All right, we're getting down to the last couple of items. Got this one right here. This is an ELEMIS Papaya Enzyme Peel, Enzymatic Cream Exfoliator. Got a lot of exfoliators going on here. So this is like a peel that you leave on for 10 to 15 minutes and it will exfoliate and nourish and leave your skin soft, revitalized, and radiant. So always down for some good skincare. And this one is $45 retail value, so just this pays for the box. And I still can't believe how much value is in one of these boxes. Like, seriously, 50 bucks. And I already have probably like over $200 worth of stuff that I've unboxed, and we're not done yet. Alright, I think this is the last item in the box. Let's see. Oh wait, what's this? Got a little something that's... Ooh. This straw saves marine life. Give a sip.us. So there's like a straw in here. This is like, it seems like a little or just a little paper wrapped straw. What is this all about? So I think this straw has to do with this box raising awareness for the Wildlife Conservation Society. And I think it must be a paper straw because it says plastic straws have a lot of impact on the ocean, and it's a serious problem for the ocean, wildlife, and for us. And so by using straws that do not have plastic in them, we are raising awareness for saving the sea otters. So try to cut down on your use of plastic straws. There's actually like really nice stainless steel straws out there that are super, I just love the feeling of sipping through them. Way better than those like plastic ones that come in those Starbucks tumblers, and you know, they don't get as soggy as paper straws, which I think this one is. I think this is just kind of like a little thing they put in here to let us know to pledge to the Wildlife Conservation Society. But yeah, highly recommend stainless steel straws. I need to get myself one actually. And actually it says here that if you pledge at giveasip.us, they will send you a free reusable stainless steel straw. So there you go. Go pledge. Okay, I think this is the last item in the box. So I'm gonna grab this and just make sure there's nothing else in here. Yeah, that's it. There's been a lot, so it's okay that that's it. But you know, it's still kind of sad when it's like when you're finished opening all your Christmas presents and there's nothing left, and all you have left to do is play with all your new stuff. This is, I believe I chose this actually because if you sign up for FabFitFun, you do get a choice sometimes of colors or styles or choosing between certain products that they're gonna offer that month. Also, if you sign up as a select member, which means that you pay for a whole year up front, then you get to choose even more things. And that makes it so that you get everything you want. You know, you're not getting something you don't have use for. And this is a makeup train case. This is a Yumi Kim makeup train case. So it has the main compartment in here, and then there's also a top compartment. Let's see what this looks like. Oh. Ooh, this would be perfect for brushes. It has all these little brush pockets and a little plastic cover thing that kind of keeps your brushes, you know, put that right on top of your brushes and keeps them clean. And then in the top, there's also a zipper compartment. So lots of places to put your stuff. This is perfect. I'm gonna be traveling next month, and so I think this will be perfect for storing all my makeup and my brushes. And this pattern is super cute. So yeah, once everything's zippered up, it's about this size, quite large. That can definitely hold all my makeup for a week's worth of traveling. I mean, I could put all my makeup that I really need on a daily basis in here, so even if it's long-term traveling, I'll be set with this. So yeah, that was my FabFitFun box for this season. Not this month. I've been saying this month this whole time, huh? No, so this was my summer FabFitFun box, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I really, really, really love this box. Like, if I were to get rid of all my other boxes, I've already gotten rid of Ipsy, trying to save a little bit of money, so I stopped subscribing to Ipsy because all of their items are tiny and I just get too much makeup. BoxyCharm, I'm actually considering stopping as well, just because, again, I have way too much makeup and they give me way too many palettes and I just honestly don't wear that much eyeshadow. But FabFitFun has the perfect balance of like lifestyle, beauty, accessories, fashion related items. It's just like, and like seasonal related too, so you're getting things that correspond with the season that's upcoming, and it's just great. Like everything I get, I for the most part get use out of, and if I don't get use out of it, I can always gift it to somebody else who would like it or save it for Christmas. That's the best part about this box. I save a lot of things for Christmas, but if I don't use it, then I'll save it for Christmas, give it to somebody else. So if I do find a referral code, I will definitely link that in the description box below. If not, there are plenty of other people out there who do have referral codes that you can get $10 off your first box. Alright guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. I always have a lot of fun during unboxings. And this one was definitely, for the most part, a surprise. So that was really fun. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, like and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys next time. Have a lovely day, my friends. Bye-bye.